Yes, good morning students. Welcome to the accountancy video classes. In the last video class, we discussed about profit and loss appropriation account, the meaning and the pro forma. Okay, in this video, we are going to discuss the couple of problems which makes us to understand the profit and loss appropriation account better. I will read out a problem. Just go through the problem clearly. The problem goes like this: A and B are the partners sharing the profit and losses in the ratio of 4:1. The first point which we have to look after is there are two partners. The partners are A and B. They are sharing the profit and the losses in the ratio of 4:1. This is the first point which we have to see. A and B are the partners, they are sharing the profit and losses in the ratio of 4:1. The first. The further it is says that on 1st January 2018, their capital were 20,000 and 10,000 respectively. That is on 1st January 2018. So they introduced a capital. A and B. A how much? 20,000 and B is 10,000. So there are two partners A and B sharing the profit and the losses in the ratio of 4:1. On 1st January 2018, their capitals were 20,000 and 10,000 respectively. It means that A has contributed a 20,000 capital and B has contributed a 10,000 capital. Now next, it says partnership deed specify the following. See, they are not registered under the Partnership Act 1932. Since they are not registered, they are following the partnership deed. So as per the partnership deed, we have the information that interest on a capital at 5% per annum. So interest should be charged on a capital at how much? 5%. Interest on a capital should be charged at a 5% per annum. Next, interest on drawings for A and B is 200 and 300 respectively. Interest on drawings 200 and 300 respectively. Further they are telling net profit before interest on a capital and drawings were 18,000. Net profit before interest on a capital and interest on drawings is how much? 18,000. So they are asking us to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account. So let me tell you again, there are two partners A and B. They are sharing the profit and the losses in the ratio of 4:1. On 1st January 2018, they introduced a capital 20,000 and 10,000 respectively. It means A has contributed a 20,000 capital and B has contributed a 10,000 capital. Further, interest on a capital is to be charged at 5% per annum. Then interest on drawings is 200 and 300 respectively. Net profit before interest on drawings and interest on drawings is how much? 18,000. So they are asking us to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account. We know that profit and loss appropriation account is a nominal in nature. So debit all the expenses and the losses and credit all the income and the gains. Now in this, if you remember the pro forma of a profit and loss appropriation account, in the credit side, first was what? The net profit. Okay, so the pro forma says this: credit and debit. This is what? Profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. First we have to take net profit before the interest on a capital and the interest on a drawings. So it is how much? 18,000 by we can say it is by profit and loss account. How much we have? It is 18,000 rupees. That is a what? Net profit before charging the interest on a capital and the interest on our drawings. So this is how much? 18,000. Next we have what? Interest on a drawings. Since interest on a drawing is the income to the firm, that has to be entered in a credit side. That is what here? By interest on drawings. For A, how much we are charging? 200, and for B we are charging 300 rupees. That is A 200 and B 300. Total is how much? 500 rupees is what? Interest on a drawings. So first we have to write a profit and loss account. How much is the net profit before interest on a capital and interest on a drawings? Then interest on drawings is 200 is for A and 300 is for B. So total is how much? 500 rupees. Next, so this we have entered and this we have entered. Next is what? Interest on a capital is at 5% per annum. So charging the interest on a capital is expenses to a firm. So it has to be in the debit side. That is what? 2 interest on capital at 5%. Now A, how much is the first partner contributed? 20,000 rupees. So 20,000 into 5% means 5 by 100. So it will be 1,000 rupees interest on a capital for A. Now for B, how much B has contributed? 10,000 capital. So 10,000 into 5%, that is 5 by 100. So it will be 500. Clear? So 20,000 into 5%, 1,000, 1,000 into 5%, 500. So interest on capital is also over. Next, what we left out with? So here capital, as per that we have taken the interest on capital, drawings and a net profit. So we don't have the salary. Okay, if we have the salary here, we used to write 2 salary. Now here we don't have anything. So close the account. So credit side is 18,500. So here also 18,500. Balance is how much? Out of 18,500, 1,500 we have to deduct. So balance is how much? 17,000. But this we have to go for the partner's capital account. That is to partner's capital account. So this is the profit after interest and the drawings. This is the profit before the interest and drawings. This is a profit after interest and the drawings. So how much we have? 17,000. This 17,000 profit they are sharing in the ratio of 4:1. So it means that A is getting 17,000 into 4 by 5 and B is getting 17,000 into 1 by 5. Are you able to understand? 4:1, 4 divided by the total. Out of 5 portion, 5, A is getting a 4 portion and B is getting a 1 portion. So 17,000 into 4 by 5 and 17,000 into 1 by 5. So that will be the amount which A is getting and the profit and B is getting the profit. Are you able to understand this concept? Okay, so A and B are the partners sharing the profit and the losses in the ratio of 4:1. They introduced the capital as on 1 Jan 2018. That is a capital introduced by A is 20,000 and the capital introduced by B is a 10,000. So as per the partnership deed, interest on capital we are charging at a 5% and interest on drawings is a 200 and a 300. Net profit before interest on drawings and a capital is what? This is 18,000. So as per this is the balancing figure 17,000. This is out of the 17,000, A is getting a 4 portion and B is getting a 3 portion. In the sense, B is getting around 3,600 rupees. A is getting around 13,400. So 13,400 plus 3,600, it will be what? 17,000. This is the simple problem on the profit and loss appropriation account. If they ask, we have to prepare a journal entries also. Then a simple journal entries. What is our format for the journal entry? Date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. So just I will tell you one thing. Profit and loss appropriation account, debtor to interest on capital. How much it is? Interest on a capital, that is for A is 1,000 rupees and for B it is 500 rupees. Total it will be what? 1,500 rupees. Profit and loss appropriation account, debtor to interest on A's capital account and interest on B's capital account. Then next, profit and loss appropriation account, debtor to A's capital account to B's capital account. A's capital account, B's capital account. How much it is? 13,400, 3,600. So it will be what? 17,000 rupees. So profit and loss account, debtor to partners capital account. Next we have is what? Interest on drawings. So that is what? Interest on drawings account, debtor to the profit and loss appropriation account. How much we have here? 500 rupees. So like this, if they ask you to prepare a journal entries also, like how you have to do the journal entries. This is the simplest problem on a profit and loss appropriation account. See, if they ask a commission, rest everything remains same. So sometimes what they will ask? They will ask you to charge a commission also, and also they will ask us to charge a salary also. So now we will go to that problem. The problem says like this: A and B are the partners, starting a partnership firm by introducing a capital of 3 lakh rupees and 2 lakh rupees respectively. So here also they are telling that there are two partners. Who are all the partners? A and B. So they are introducing a capital of how much? So here also they are introducing the capital of 3 lakh rupees and 2 lakh rupees respectively. Just a moment. Yeah, no problem. So there are two partners, A and B, introduced a capital of 3 lakh rupees and 2 lakh rupees respectively. Okay, and further they are telling, as per the partnership deed, the information says that interest on a capital is to be charged at a 6% per annum. Interest on a capital should be charged at a 6% per annum. Further, salary to A is 50,000. Salary to A is what? 50,000. Then 10% commission to be charged for a B after charging a interest on a capital and a salary and after such commissions. So there are two cases, as we know that we discussed in the earlier video also. To charge a commission we have two different cases, that is commission before and a commission after. Here they are clearly telling 10% commission to be charged. 10% commission to be charged after paying the interest on the capital and after paying the salary to A. So here we should take care of what? Commission to be charged after. Then further they clearly telling that they both are sharing the profit and the losses in the ratio of 3:2. Profit and the losses they are sharing in the ratio of 3:2. So net profit is how much? 3 lakh rupees. This is the information which they have given. So by using this information, they are asking us to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So it means that there are two partners, that is A and B. They have introduced a capital of how much? 3 lakh rupees and a 2 lakh rupees. Interest on a capital to be charged at a 6% per annum. Salary is 50,000. Commission to be charged after. Commission to be charged after. Then profit and loss they are sharing in the ratio of 3:2 and the net profit is what? 3 lakh. So here there is no interest on our drawings. So we no need to worry for that. We know that profit and loss appropriation account is a nominal in nature. It means that debit all the expenses and the losses and credit all the income and gains. So debit profit and loss appropriation account and credit. Okay. Now the first we have to take is what? Net profit by profit and loss account. How much is the net profit? It is a 3 lakh rupees. So net profit is what? 3 lakh rupees. So which completed. Next what we have, if we have an interest on drawings, we used to take it here by interest on drawings. But here since they have not given anything in information related to the interest on drawing, so we no need to take. Now come to the debit side. Okay, that is what? The first will be to interest on a capital. So interest on capital to be charged at a 6% per annum. So A introduced how much capital? 3 lakh rupees into 6%. So 3 lakh rupees into 6% means it is 18,000 rupees. B is introducing how much capital? 2 lakh into 6%. So it will be 12,000. Okay. Now after the interest on a capital, then next you have to take the salary. Salary to A, how much? Salary they are paying 50,000 rupees. They are paying the salary 50,000 rupees. So this is net profit before charging the interest on a capital and a salary. Now the commission. So we have to pay the commission to A after charging the interest on a capital and a salary. That is what? To commission. After charging the interest on a capital and a salary. Before charging is how much? 3 lakh. So after charging means, so 18,000 plus 12,000, 30,000, 50,000, 80,000. So 3 lakh minus 80,000 will become what? 2 lakh 20,000 is the profit after charging interest on a capital and a salary. If they mention before charging the interest on a capital and a salary, then we used to take a 3 lakh. But here they clearly telling that this commission is after charging the interest on a capital and a salary. That is what? 2,20,000. We know that if it is a before case, the formula says what? Profit into rate of a commission divided by 100. But here it is after. So formula becomes profit into rate of a commission 10 divided by 100 plus 10. Rate of a commission divided by 100 plus rate of a commission. It means that 2,20,000 into 10 divided by 110. So it will be 20,000 rupees. It will be what? 20,000 rupees. So if they ask 10% commission to be charged before charging interest on salary, at that case what will happen? 3 lakh into 10 by 100. So 30,000 will become. But here it is after charging the interest on a capital and a salary. It will be net profit into rate of a commission divided by 100 plus rate of a commission. So this is the information. So we don't have the further thing. So close the account here. So it will be what? 3 lakh. So 3 lakh. Okay. Now out of 3 lakh, 18,000 plus 12,000, 30,000, 30,000 plus 50,000, 80,000, 80,000 plus 20,000 becomes what? 1 lakh. So 3 lakh minus 1 lakh becomes 2 lakh. This is the balancing figure. So this is what? 2 partners capital account. For A, how much is the profit? 2 lakh. They clearly said that they are taking the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So it is what? 3 divided by 5. For B it is what? 2 lakh into 2 by 5. So it means that it will be 1,20,000 for A and 80,000 is for B. So like this we have to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. In this profit and loss appropriation account, the very important thing which we have to know is that charging a commission. If it is a before, the formula is simple: net profit into rate of interest divided by the 100. But if it is a after, then it is a net profit into rate of interest divided by 100 plus rate of interest. Thank you, students.